Hello everyone, welcome back. This video is going to be a continuation of the previous video. In this video I'll be explaining to how get started in Flutter using VS Code IDE. As many would prefer VS Code IDE. Let's get started. Before going to the actual coding or creating the project, we need to make sure to set the environment. If you haven't watched the previous video for setting the environment, I'll provide the code link for that. Download and extract the Flutter SDK zip file and set the environment path. Now the environment is set. We need to add some extensions. Head on to the extensions icon. Search for Flutter and Dart, install those extensions. Now we need to select the folder. I have already created an empty folder called Demo App. I'll select that. Now you can see that the folder is selected and it is totally empty. To create the project we need a terminal. Type Flutter create project name. I'll name it Demo App. Make sure the project name contains all lowercase. We can see the project structure. It is same as in the previous video. Now let's run the app. Type Flutter run. Make sure you're inside the project directory. We'll use cd demo app to go one level inner. You can see the app running now. Let me change some text and show you hot reload. The option for hot reload is R. Type R to reload. That's it for the video. If you found the videos useful, like and subscribe.